Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and I am back with another C-drama video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the best Chinese dramas which involve popular guy falling for an unpopular girl. I actually love these kind of dramas. It really makes my heart flutter a lot and I kind of feel more related to the drama. So I'm gonna share my top 10 recommendations of Chinese dramas on this category. So let's get to it. Before starting this video, I just wanted to mention something that there are 3 more C-dramas that I should include in this list, but I am not going to because you guys might have already watched this drama. And if not, then you guys really are not a C-drama freak like me. The dramas are Love O2O, A Love So Beautiful and Skate Into Love. So if you haven't watched any of them, watch these dramas first and then the list continues. Number 1. Meteor Garden. This C-drama is actually a remake of the Korean drama Boys Over Flowers, starring our favorite Lee Min-ho. An ordinary girl is admitted to the most prestigious school in the country where she encounters F4, an exclusive group comprised of the 4 wealthiest and handsomest boys in the school: Dao Mingxi, Hua Zilei, Ximen and Mingzhou. Shanxi is an 18-year-old girl from a family that's barely able to make ends meet. Due to a turn of events, she gets accepted in a school that only accepts the upper class elites. She immediately clashes with her classmates, especially Dao Mingxi, who is spoiled, arrogant and a bully. She remains defiant even after becoming a target of the series of pranks intended to torment her, and just when she is about to give up. Hua Zilei, who always seems to show up to lend her a helping hand. Eventually, the 4 boys begin to acknowledge Shanxi's unyielding personality that is like her namesake, which is that of a weed that can never be brought down. She also begins to see the good in the boys, which paves the way for friendship and eventual romance. Number 2. Dragon Day You Are Dead. The play mainly tells the story of Zhang Jingmei, a top student, and the love story of Long Ri, a school devil. Zhang Jingmei is a typical hostess in youth school literature. Long Ri is an out-and-out campus devil. When the devil met drama, a series of funny romantic stories start. Number 3. All I Want For You Is Love. A story full of laughs follows Sanda fighter Gu Xiaoman and school genius Zuan as they chase after love. Graduation is fast approaching for third-year high school student Gu Xiaoman. Unlike your average schoolgirl, she is a Sanda fighter who wins medals at the sport but not in class. Because she wants to continue to be schoolmates with her idol, Zuan, she decides to give the same effort to academics as she does to Sanda. Her hard work combined with Zuan's effort to be her personal teacher pays off, and they get into the same university. There is nothing sweeter than to have your crush crushing on you, and their story continues on. Number 4. My Unicorn Girl. Sangtian is an aspiring figure skater. On the day she turns 18, she vows to her family that she will be accepted to the same university that her mother once attended. To get in, she must pass a test which she, an exceptionally competent skater and student, expects to ace. However, things do not go according to the plan for Sangtian and she fails the exam. Undaunted, Sangtian decides not to give up, and in desperation, she dresses as a male ice hockey player and joins in a trial match for the college team. She unexpectedly signs and is selected as the part of the men's ice hockey program. Things get even more complicated for her when she realizes that Wing Bing, a young man she has crossed swords with in the past, is also part of the team. Worse still, she finds she must share a dormitory with him and struggles to keep her true identity a secret. On the ice, Sangtian and Wing Bing prove to be the catalysts for their team's newfound success, and the team finds itself in with a shot at the championship. As the two students start to get to know one another, they develop a mutual respect for one another. But could that one day turn to love? Number 5. Put Your Head on My Shoulder. On the cusp of graduation, an accounting major searching for her career winds up living with a genius physics student. Sitomo is a graduating student. As someone who got used to having her whole life planned out for her, she is at loss about her future and can't find the courage to make a decision for herself. Because the school districts have merged, physics major Gu Wei barks into her life. They clash repeatedly without noticing that they are slowly walking into each other's heart. To their surprise, they accidentally end up having to live together. Number 6. Love the Way You Are. Zhen Wanwan is a plump girl who fell in love with her high school senior, Ruan Dongshen. They were separated by a misunderstanding Many years later, they are reunited. At that point, Yuan had become a slim fashion model called Eva, while Dongsen became a successful entrepreneur and chef. They began an incredibly miraculous journey of love together, but it may not be as he planned. At number 7, the brightest star in the sky. Star Entertainment is a top entertainment agency in China. It was set up by a couple, Cheng Tianhao and Du Wanxing, who eventually separated due to different beliefs in managing the company. Yang Zhenzhen is an aspiring young girl with a passion for music. She joined Starry Sky Entertainment and was assigned as Jing Boshu's assistant. Boshu is a popular idol who is arrogant and unruly. With the help of Zhenzhen, who helped him correct his flaws and unleash his potential, Boshu slowly transforms into a talented singer. In the process, Zhenzhen also gains experience and becomes a capable idol manager. At the same time, Du Wangxing is also grooming a singer named Yujiru, who shapes up to become Boshu's biggest competitor yet. Number 8. A Little Thing Called First Love. It tells the story of an ordinary girl who falls head over heels for the most popular guy in their school. Xiao Miao Miao is a shy, artistic student who develops a crush on a handsome, talented classmate and embarks on a journey of self-discovery through college. Because of Yang Yunyan, Xiao Miao Miao decides to make a change. Through the help of her friends, she starts to learn about fashion, join school clubs, and studies hard to raise her grades, her ordinary life becoming more colorful day by day. Number 9. Master Devil Do Not Kiss Me. A bizarre twist of fate throws impoverished tear-away milk delivery girl Chu Xia together with an unlikely Prince Charming. Ruthless know-it-all, business hire Han Shulu, will Han Shulu and his school friends scare off Chu Xia, or will she win everyone over with her own unique charms? And will the bitter adversity between Chu Xia and Master Devil turn into something altogether sweeter? Number 10. Accidentally in Love. Chen Xingxing is the daughter of a rich household, desperately wanting to avoid an arranged marriage and find love on her own terms. On her wedding day, she flees town and heads out to enroll in the same college where her parents studied, hoping to find out more about their deaths. She changes her name and appearance in an effort to hide her true identity and do her best to blend in with her classmates. Her school deskmate turns out to be the famous singer Si Tufeng, with whom she has already had multiple run-ins. They start off on the wrong foot, quarreling constantly and causing each other grief, but could there be more between them? Thus starts Xingxing's quest for answers about her parents' death and a chance at real love. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I do hope that you have liked this video, and if you have watched the video till here, like this video and subscribe to my channel Drama YT. And yet you haven't followed me on the Insta handle which is right in front of you. It is called DramaYT.K2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2, love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure.